Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Affairs. So today we are going to talk about one of the uh, method, that is get focus, and second is a focus and a blur. Okay, so basically you can achieve the focus with the help of focus method, and you can lose the focus with the help of dot blur method. So let's see. I'll tell you the what I am going to show you here. So basically, I have taken one input field. You can show it here, and we have taken two buttons. And the first button is used for to get the focus, and the second button is used for the lose of focus. Okay, so I have added some script here. Okay, some function here. Okay, and in the function I have taken my text. Okay, so basically, if you see that this is the input type. This is the input type, and I have taken its ID. I'm getting the element by ID. Here I am calling the function focus method. Okay, and in the second function I am getting the same element by ID, my text, and here I'm adding a method called color. Okay, so let's see how it's actually work. Okay. So suppose we have click on the get focus. So basically when we do focus, okay, so it will be focus on the specific element. Okay, like if I do that, okay, now it is focused on the input type, and then now we can type anything on it. And suppose we wanted to remove the focus from that input field, we just click on the lose focus. So I hope this video make you understand, and you have a quite clear overview about this concept, focus and bullet. And if you like the video, please do subscribe. And if you subscribe, then subscribe and like and do comment if you having any kind of doubt, right? So please just let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, and if you want any video in further, and just write down the topic and I will bring the video for you. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys like that video, and please do like, subscribe. Bye. Take care.